Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox HP printer. So I got this one very cheap, around $75, and as you can see it can print both black and color, so which I like for the kids. If you print something for the kids, and you can see here if you print only black color it can last around 2600 pages, or if you are combining it's 1400, which is more than enough for the home. And what they are stating here is that it is seriously affordable inkjet like these cartridges, that it's very cheap to replace them. And here they have notification that you cannot put some other fake ones, it will not work. They have some special technology to detect them. So other than that, here it is easy to set up using only the app, and you can print through the Wi-Fi. We'll check that in a moment. And here for the tray you can put around 60 pages of the paper. So let's unbox it and see how easy it is to set it up and to use it. And as you can see, the packing is really good, so there is no potential for the damage while transporting it. So let's see what comes inside with it. So you will get the chargers for both EU and UK, or here UAE market. You will get the cartridges, so I will show you how to set them up. Instruction manual, of course, and a few other documents. So let's now remove this one. And the printer itself, even though it looks huge, it's not that heavy. It's actually very light. So let's remove this wrapping and see how we can set it up. Now we will install the cartridges. So in the packing you can easily see this is for the colors and this is the black one. So let's remove this foil. And as you can see here, this is the color one. You can see they are pretty small, but good that you got like two more. And judging by the size of this cartridge, it should not be expensive, exactly like they said in the box. And this is the black one. So if any of you knows the price of this, leave it in the comments below. So of course you need to remove this protective layer here and here, and I will show you now how you can install them. So you'll find the cartridges here. You just move it here like this. So we remove this like I said, and this end you put towards the printer like this, all the way until it snaps. And the same with the black one. That's it, simple as that. And now you can close this tray. And let's put some papers, set it up and see how it prints. On the phone, the first step is to install the HP Smart app, which they provide the QR code here. So once you open, it will guide you to the right store, whether it's iOS or Google Play Store. So once you install it, you will see here that for me it is compatible, so I can install. However, if you have older device, like for example let's say Samsung S8, it will not work. It will say your device is not compatible. So for this app to work you need to have a newer device. That's important to mention. If it does not work, then you need to buy a cable and connect your HP printer to the laptop or some similar computer for it to be able to print. Of course, the other option is also to install the app on your laptop and connect through the Wi-Fi. So now we'll open the app, and we need to turn on the printer, of course. Now you can see it is on, so we'll allow everything in the app so it works without any obstruction. So let's now try to connect. This is too much what it is asking, Bluetooth, location, everything, but you can try even without this option. I'm now turning them on so it connects quicker, and as you can see here it is immediately recognized. So now it is set up. So let's load some paper. So you can see here it's very nicely showing you how to load the paper. So you pull this one out. Once you put the paper, you have this to adjust. I will show you that in a moment once you put the paper. Once you add the paper, move it all the way to the right. And then here, use this adjustment to push it even more. So it will align properly when it is printing. And now the final step is to open the output tray, which I already did. So I will click continue here. And we'll do this auto update if there are any updates. Until that last, I will show you here the output tray, so you can extend it even more, but we'll keep it like this at the moment. So let's try now to print some. You see now additional plugins it is asking to download, so let's try to download that as well. Like I said, if you have older device, it will struggle. So you see how many things it is asking additionally to be able to print, but once you set up all of this, initially it will take you maybe 15-20 minutes to set it up, but once you set it up it will go all smoothly, and then you can print with only one click. Let's try to print this welcome document. So you can see it is not the quickest printer, but of course for the home it will be more than enough. So let's now try to print some black and white, like the regular text, and some more challenging, colorful images. So let's now try to print this test document. So you will just go to PDF, print. This is fine, A4, so you just select printer. So it will be this one. And then you see this button for printing. Yes. So let's see now how this one looks and how quickly it goes. As you can see, also not quick as well. But like I said, this is home printer, so that will be fun. So let's now try to challenge it more with some colorful images. And talking about colors, this ink is indeed very low cost. I checked in the store, it is around $5 each, so $5 black and maybe $5.5 colorful, which is indeed low cost compared to some $60-70 cartridges that are there for other printers. So let's do this final page now. Here we have some picture with a lot of colors, so let's try to print it. And you can see the good thing is like that it is not slower for these complex images. It is pretty much the same speed as before, so that is really good. And as you can see, the colors are really nice. So let me just show you a couple of more features of the printer and then we can conclude this video. So here you can see the control panel. So this is the power button. This is the ink alert light. Cancel button if you want to resume printing. This is Wi-Fi, information, color copy, so you can scan the color, or black and white scanning. So let's try these two as well. When it comes to the scanning, it is super simple. So you just put here what you want to scan, and then you can choose color or black and white scanning. So we'll select now color scanning here, and then give it some time, and then you will see how it looks. And as you can see here, the quality of scanning is really good. I will compare it now with the original one. Here is the original one. As you can see, it is pretty good, and you can also of course send it to your phone if you need the PDF version. So the scanning works really well, the printing works really well. So far I have printed around 200 documents, both like in color and black and white, and as you can see, toners are still fine. And also I got that spare one if these are completely empty, so it is pretty good. And I show you the price also, it's cheap for the toner, so I would definitely recommend this printer to buy. And for home it is amazing printer and more than enough what you will need. So that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next one, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.